Prdr web-based application systems. The online electronic data entries. Contents. System requirements. Prdr link 122.53.151.90:8080/Prdr. Click here to access registration menu. Click New Unit to redirect to registration form. Insert the complete name of hospital or unit and branch. Abbreviation is not allowed. Example, Therapy Management Services, Incorporated, Masada. Choose at least one type of treatment procedure that your dialysis unit performed. Insert the official email where the registration link will be sent after the admin approved the dialysis unit registration. To submit the form, fields with asterisk should not be empty. Summary encoded on registration form. Please review data carefully. Insert CAPTCHA code to submit the form. A pop-up message would appear after the submission of forms. Click this link to redirect at registration of account. Prdr Center will conduct a brief assessment whether the dialysis unit is accredited by the Department of Health. For user account registration, you may create 2 user account for encoder, 1 user account for supervisor. Insert a valid email to send your username and temporary password. Username and password are generated by the system. Insert username and password that was sent to your email. Your first login will redirect you to a page to change your password. General survey form. Kindly fill up all fields. Please review the encoded data before submitting the form. Home page. Search patient. For adding new patient, click this button. Patient's demographics information. Kindly fill up all fields. Summary of encoded patient's demographics information. Please review the encoded data before submitting the form. Click this button to add a transaction to a patient. Add transaction form. Click this button to submit the patient's transaction to the supervisor. Summary of encoded patient's transaction. After checking the form, submit the form to the supervisor. A pop-up message will appear when the patient's transaction is successfully sent. Input username and password using a supervisor account. Your first login will redirect you to a page to change your password. Click View All to view data sent by the encoders. Click Process to view, reset or send patient's transaction to center. Summary of patient's transaction. Click Submit to review and edit or submit patient's transaction to center. Data summary of patient's transaction before sending to center. After reviewing the encoded data, click this button to send transaction to center. A pop-up message will appear when the patient's transaction is successfully sent. Displays the total number of submitted patient's transaction by the supervisor. Creating prevalence list. Select the date from and date to create a list of patients. Print prevalence list. Thank you for watching.